Hey there, and welcome back to BrandEdit.ai. I am your host, Deborah Kane Menke, and if you're in the aesthetics industry, buckle up because today's episode is going to be packed with fresh ideas to take your marketing game to a whole new level. We're talking AI, yeah, artificial intelligence, and how it can work wonders for your med spa's content marketing. Sounds cool, right? Whether you're a med spa owner or an esthetician, you already know the competition is fierce. But what if I told you that with AI, you could not only stay ahead of the game, but also save a ton of time while you're at it? That's what today's episode is all about. So grab your coffee or maybe a sheet mask, and let's dive into how to use AI to boost your med spa's content marketing. All right, let's get real for a second. Running a med spa means you've got a lot on your plate. Client appointments, managing staff, staying up to date with the latest treatments, and oh yeah, making sure your marketing doesn't fall flat. That's where AI comes in. Tools like ChatGPT can help you crank out amazing content from blog posts to social media captions faster than you can say chemical peel. And let's be honest, if you're not using AI in your marketing yet, you're leaving money on the table. AI doesn't just write copy. It helps you build an efficient marketing strategy that saves time and keeps clients coming back for more. Sounds pretty awesome, right? But here's the thing, AI is only as good as the prompts you give it. So today, we're diving into how to craft the best ChatGPT prompts to get high-quality content that actually speaks to your audience. All right, quick break to talk about something super exciting, the freshest new device on the market that's shaking up treatment rooms everywhere, the OxyVerve. OxyVerve is a 7-step sensory journey that's all about customization. It's a multimodality platform that lets you offer personalized treatments to every client. Because let's face it, one size fits all is so last year. What's even better, OxyVerve brings profitability back to the treatment room, helping you boost revenue while delivering the next level experience clients crave. If you want to set your med spa apart, this is the way to do it. So if you haven't checked out the OxyVerve yet, what are you waiting for? Trust me, it's a game changer. All right, back to the magic of AI. When it comes to ChatGPT, the magic happens when you're specific with your prompts. Think of it like giving the AI directions. If you're vague, it'll wander off. But if you're clear and structured, boom, it delivers exactly what you need. So first, you want to define the task. So this is where you start. You need to be super clear about what you need, whether it's a blog post or an email campaign. The more details, the better. Here's an example. Write an email campaign to promote our LED light therapy facial. The goal is to educate clients on the benefits and get them to book an appointment. Then you want to provide structure, so give the AI some structure to follow. If it's a blog post, outline the headings. If it's an email, make sure it knows the flow. It's like giving it a map so it doesn't get lost. So an example, headline 1, benefits of LED light therapy for glowing skin. Intro, explain how LED therapy fights aging and acne. Headline 2, what to expect during treatment. And then the body, walk through the process, emphasizing relaxation and results. So keep it simple. Don't overthink it. AI likes clear, simple instructions. Keep the poetry and fancy metaphors for another day. Create a social media post promoting our fresh OxyVerve facial. Use a friendly tone and encourage followers to book online. There's another example. Be specific. Okay, so here's where things get really fun. Master prompts. These are your reusable golden tickets for content. If you're writing blogs, emails, or social media posts on repeat, why start from scratch every time? You can create a go-to prompt that you can tweak just a little for each new piece of content. It's like your AI BFF that does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's an example. Write a blog post comparing microneedling and dermaplaning. The audience is women aged 30 to 45 looking to improve skin texture. Imagine how much time you'll save when you can generate new content without spending hours brainstorming from scratch. Now let's talk SEO real quick. It's what gets your med spa found online, and AI can help you nail it. Need to rank higher on Google? Just plug in some SEO-focused prompts and let the AI sprinkle those magical keywords into your content like fairy dust. Write a blog post on oxygen facials using keywords like best facials for glowing skin and how oxygen facials work. Boom, your blog is now optimized for search engines, bringing more clients to your website without the extra hassle. All right, let's get practical. What kind of content can AI help you create for your med spa? Literally everything, from email campaigns that re-engage clients to SEO-optimized blog posts and even engaging social media content. So, email campaigns, here's a prompt. Write a 3-email sequence promoting our summer skincare package. Include a special offer and a call to action to book online. Social media posts, here's a prompt for you. Create a post prompting the addition of Corganics Clinical CBD to our Comfort Care menu. Focus on its anxiety-reducing benefits before treatments like Botox or laser. Do you see how specific this is? Or for blogs, here's a prompt. Write a 1,500-word blog on dermaplaning, including how it works, who it's best for, and aftercare tips. AI can handle it all. You just need to guide it with the right prompts. So there you have it. AI is your secret weapon to take your med spa's marketing to that next level. With the right prompts, you can create high-quality content that saves time, builds connections with your clients, and gets more people through your door. Ready to start harnessing AI to transform your marketing? At brandedit.ai, we help aesthetic companies refresh their brand, architect their image, and leverage the power of AI to stay ahead of the curve because let's be real, life's too short for boring brands. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep your marketing fresh and fun, and don't forget to visit www.brandedit.ai for more tips.